Right, we are here, arriving into Manila, Philippines. This is Ninoy Aquino. Hello, ma'am. Is this Terminal 1, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Then to the right.
Thank you. All right, so we're at Terminal 1 here in Manila. It is 3:30 in the morning. Kind of a unique arrival time, right? So make sure you fill out e-travel. I did this on an app, the brand new app. I guess there's e-travel for arrival and departure now. You have to fill out an arrival form to arrive and depart, which is new. I think things keep changing around the world, but we'll see. Either way, obviously if you're here in the daytime, it'll be busy. That's one of the benefits of a midnight flight from Bangkok. Hopefully I can get a SIM card, maybe even some other stuff. Let's see how fast this goes. Mabuhay. Which way do I go for?
Here.
Okay, thank you.
Destination, sir, again?
I'm going to Manila. Okay. Well, I just came across like the friendliest immigration officer who gave me a bunch of information useful for you guys. So he said that from 8 in the morning till 12 in the morning is the most busy. So I was not able to use an e-gate. So I had to go through that, but they don't have fast track here. Anywhere in Manila or anywhere in the Philippines, they don't have fast track. He also said that on departure, I don't have to fill out any departure on e-travel. So a little bit of confusing information coming through. Some people say you have to fill out an exit form. Some people say you don't, but that immigration officer said no, you do not. So now I am looking for, what am I looking for? I'm looking for eSIM as well as currency exchange, which I don't see. So we'll just wait on this and then we'll go through customs and do all that. All right, we've been on the ground for about 20 minutes or so. And here come the bags. All right, got our bags. It's nice arriving here at 3 in the morning. But I guess by about 7 or 8, it's going to get quite busy. So here we go. All right. Well, there at customs is where they ask for the e-travel. They just ask you to show it on your phone. They don't even really look at it. They just say, e-travel, please. They're looking for the QR code. So screenshot that before. Now I need currency and or eSIM. There's foreign currency exchange. Where's the eSIMs? I doubt they're open at this hour, but still pretend like it's possible. There we go. There's the eSIMs. I better do the currency exchange first. Mabuhay. Hello. Okay, so I've never heard that before. So they are out of cash. Foreign currency exchange is out of cash. Literally in all my travels, I've never heard that before. I said, is this something that happens every once in a while? And she said, it's just something that has just happened. They don't have any cash. She said it doesn't happen often. Can you believe that? That is unique. So I'm going over here now to another money changer. So, oh, they got another eSIM. Ah, looks like they're open too. So this is going to be good. You know, 4 in the morning. I guess you got to take the good with the bad, right? Hello, ma'am. How are you? All right. So the last one was closed. I've already talked to the eSIM people. We'll see if we can get this. But hello. How are you?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys open? Oh, okay. Everyone's closed except for this one apparently. Hello. right. I was telling people advance Merry Christmas, but let's see. All right, we've got eSIM.
Okay, sir.
Tell us what you got, sir.
We have 1200.
That's for the regular SIM.
This is cheapest one. The next
eSIM.
one is eSIM. For eSIM is 1800, and we have unlimited internet. Also, all of this is 30 days.
Okay, so this is 2,000 pesos
Yes, sir.
for 30 days.
Yes, sir.
Do you take credit card?
Cash only.
Cash only.
Because we don't have supervisor. That's
Okay.
why we don't.
All set up with a SIM card now. So far, smooth sailing. Mabuhay, sir. How are you? I'm looking for a Philippine taxi. Number one.
Yellow taxi, airport taxi.
Whatever. V6. Thank you, sir. Yeah, so we've already got SIM card. I was trying to get the fastest one. The fastest one is still the fastest and best and the most expensive is still the one where you actually have to put the SIM card in there. 1,500. Didn't have change. Thank you, sir. How are you, sir? All right, so we're here. I checked the price of the Grab. If I took Grab, it was going to be 180. All right, so I just wanted to tell you, yeah, it was going to be 180 with Grab. I paid them 1,250. Thank you, sir. All right. You too. Thank you. Yeah, so I paid 1,250. They didn't have any change, so I was forced to tip them and pay 1,500. And everything they said made it seem like that was the normal process. But the truth is, the Grab, if I got a Grab, it was 180 pesos. So I got ripped off at 4 o'clock in the morning for sure. Don't let that happen to you. It's a mistake that, you know, I made on camera for you guys. But I was just surprised at how nonchalant they are about just overcharging like that. All right, so a little recap here on what that experience was like. So it was pretty smooth sailing at that hour, coming in and out. Right now it's been raining here this afternoon in Manila. It's a little bit muggy, but nice pool here. Yeah, but everything went good except for the fact that there is a little bit of confusion with the taxis. Pricing, I mean, obviously, if Grab is 180, you know, pesos, that's like $3 or $4 to go to this place. Those guys that have the airport taxi or whatever, they claim it's like a VIP car. It's like not even a VIP car. It's like a 10-year-old vehicle. I mean, it's an SUV. So it doesn't justify paying literally like 7 to 8 times more than a Grab. The price that I paid them was $1,500 because they didn't even have change. So it was $1,250. And then, you know, I'm like, okay, do I get change? You know, it's 250 pesos. I'm just saying, like, you said it was $1,250. And then they do this whole thing. Oh, we don't have change, sir. Can I get my tip? So they like demand a tip. You don't even get an option to give them a tip. They like tell you you have to give them a tip because they can't give you any change. And as a tourist, you know, you just got money straight back. You don't have, you know, a certain amount to like, you just got 1,000 or 500, right? Because you just got money from the ATM or the currency exchange. So I would say, don't even mess with the airport taxis. Just use Grab. Download the Grab app before you come, just to avoid all that. I'm not blaming those guys. Like, I get it. They got a hustle going on, whatever. But if you don't want to get caught in their hustle, go with Grab. You can watch our Clark Angeles City Airport next. Click that video link right here.